Having trouble making calls on your iPhone? Are your calls not going through? Don't worry, you are in the right place. Here is how to fix the issue of calls not connecting or not ringing on your iPhone. To solve these problems, follow these 3 advanced steps. Let's dive in and get started. Solution 1. Set most compatible network system for call. Open Setting, tap Mobile Service or Cellular Data. Scroll down, tap Network Selection. Turn it off. Now, select your SIM card. Now go back to Main Cellular Data setting. Tap Cellular or Mobile Data option. Tap Voice and Data. Try to select the available network around your surroundings. If it's 5G, then set 5G Auto or 4G, depending on what you have. Also make sure to enable VoLTE to have better voice over call. Quickly after that, swipe down, enable airplane mode for 20 seconds. Now turn off the airplane mode. Solution 2. Eject and insert SIM card. Try to eject your SIM card from your iPhone. Wait about 30 seconds. After that, reinsert the SIM card and then check your issues. Most likely, your problem is going to be solved right after that. Now, if you still have any issues, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Try to reset mobile network. Open Setting. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer and Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Network Setting. Go and try to reset the network setting to fix your issues. Once you've done that, your problem should be solved. If you still have any questions or need further help, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'm here to assist you. Thanks for watching.